Hello everyone, welcome to Commerce Piece. In my last video, I have explained you in detail about the objectives of business. In that, the objectives of business are divided into four types. That is, the first is economic objectives, the second is social objectives, the third is human objectives, and the fourth is national objectives. In that, I have discussed in detail the economic objectives of business. Let's quickly see what are the economic objectives of business. The first is earning profit, the second is creating customers, and the third is optimum utilization of resources. If you have not watched my previous video, then please go and watch so that you can get a clarity on the economic objectives of business. But in today's video, we are going to discuss in detail what are the social objectives of business. So let's discuss what are the social objectives of business in detail. Social objectives. Business is a part of society. No business exists in vacuum. As the business is existing in the society, it is a part of the society. Both business and society are interdependent. As the business is getting all its resources like men, material, money from the society, it is dependent on the society for its resources, and in return, the society is dependent on the business for its goods and services and also for the employment. So both business and society are interdependent on each other. It uses the resources of the society. This creates an obligation on the part of the business to look after the welfare of the society. As the business is using the resources, it is creating an obligation on the business for the welfare of the people. Business must therefore discharge social responsibilities in addition to earning profits. No doubt, earning profit is the main objective of the business, but it is not the sole objective. Beside earning the profit, it has some social objectives. Let's see what are the social objectives of business. The first is supplying goods and services at reasonable prices. Reasonable prices means charging a fair price for the goods. Business exists to satisfy the needs of the society. How it is satisfying the people? By providing the goods and services, it is satisfying the people. Supply of goods and services to consumers at reasonable prices with the good quality is the primary responsibility of any business entity. As the business is providing the goods and services to the people, it is the responsibility of the business to provide those goods and services at a reasonable price, that is, at the fair price. The goods must not be charged at a very high prices so that it becomes difficult for the consumers to buy those goods. So it is a responsibility to charge the reasonable prices for the goods. Avoiding malpractices like adulteration, black marketing, and misleading advertising is a social obligation of business. Let's first understand what is the meaning of adulteration, black marketing, and misleading advertising. Adulteration means mixing a poor quality substances to the goods is called adulteration. For example, coating wax on the apple, mixing water in the milk, and adding sugar to the honey. These are called as food adulteration. The next is black marketing. Black marketing means showing an artificial scarcity of the goods and selling those goods in future at a higher price is called black marketing. And misleading advertising. Misleading advertising means showing a wrong features of the goods and confusing the customers is called as misleading advertising. So avoiding all these type of black malpractices is a social responsibility of any business. The next point is fair remuneration to employees. Fair remuneration means fair pay. Fair pay in the form of wages or salaries to the employees is the next social objective of a business. An employee is one of the major resources of any business. As we all know, The four major resources of any business is men, material, machine, and money. So, men plays an important role and acts a major resource of any business. Hence, employees must be given fair remuneration for their work. Fair remuneration means paying fair salary or wages to the employees for the work is called as fair remuneration. In addition to remuneration, a reasonable part of profit should be distributed among employees. Besides giving salary or wages, a company should distribute a part of the profits to its employees. It will boost the confidence in the employees and it will encourage the employees to work hard for the organization. So, business must always share their profits with the employees. Because of the employees only, a business is earning the profit. The third point is employment generation. Unemployment is a crucial problem faced by people in India as it is not possible for any government to offer jobs to all. So unemployment is one of the major problems which is faced by the people in India, and it is surely not possible for any government to offer jobs to all its people. As the business is existing in the society and it is getting all its resources from the society, so it is the prime responsibility of any business to provide employment to the people. So it is the social responsibility of business to provide opportunities of employment to members of society. So it is a social responsibility as the business is getting everything from the society. So it is the social responsibility of a business to provide employment to the people. The next is social welfare. Social welfare means providing services. Business enterprise can build schools, colleges, libraries, hospitals, and research institutions. In this way, a business can help the people of the society. How a business can provide social services to the people? They can build the schools, colleges, libraries, hospitals, and research institutions. In this way, they can provide different facilities to the people of the society. So, in this way, they can do the social welfare. I hope you understood the topic of the social objectives of business. If you like the topic, please do like, share, and subscribe to Commerce Piece. Thank you so much.